Those who use knowledge correctly get respect along with success. According to a popular folk tale, in ancient time, a saint lived an ashram with his two disciples. The saint was very learned. People from far and wide came to him with their problems, and he used to tell them the right solution. This is why he was very famous in the area. When his disciples completed their education, the saint gave each of them a box filled with wheat. The saint told the disciples that now I am going on a long religious journey for a year. I will return after a year. Then both of you return this wheat to me. Keep in mind that the wheat should not get spoiled. Both the disciples took the boxes from the Guru, and the saint left for the journey. The next day, one of the disciples kept that box in the temple and started worshipping it daily. The other disciple took out the wheat from the box and grew it in his field. After some time, the crop of wheat from one box was ready. Now the second disciple had a lot of wheat. After the completion of 1 year, the saint came to the ashram and asked for the boxes of wheat from the disciples. While handling over the box, the first disciple said, Guruji, I had taken very good care of your trust. I have worshipped it every day. When the Guru opened the box, he saw that the wheat had gone bad. It was infested with insects. Seeing this, the disciple became embarrassed because the Guru had said that the wheat should not go bad. The second disciple brought a bag and kept in the front of the saint and said, Guruji, here is your deposit. The saint was very happy to see the bag full of wheat. He said, Son, you have passed my test. Whatever knowledge I have given you, you have applied it in your life and have used the knowledge given by me correctly. That is why you have got success in handling the wheat. The saint explained to both the disciples that as long as we keep our knowledge like wheat in a box, we will not get any benefit from it. Knowledge should be applied in our life. It should be shared with others. Only then knowledge keeps on increasing and we get its benefit.